Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to have exercise 15.2 from chapter number 15 NCERT class 8 NCERT maths book. So dear student, in the previous video we had completed exercise 15.1. Okay, so here in this video we are going to do exercise 15.2 as it is a very small exercise. It will be completed very soon. Okay, so let's start. What the question number 1 says. Plot the following points on a graph sheet. Verify if they lies on a line. Okay, so what is asked in this question? In a question number 1, these are the coordinates, isn't it? These are the coordinates. So this coordinates we have to plot in the graph. What you have to do? The coordinate is given in question number 1 A, B, C. What you have to do is you have to take a graph paper and just you have to plot it while drawing the x-axis and y-axis and choosing an appropriate scale. Okay, so what the first coordinate is? Coordinate means which is containing x and y axis values. Okay, suppose we are having x and y, so we will say x and y will be the coordinate of, suppose x will be -2 or +2. We can take the negative numbers also. Okay, let's take the positive number, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, and y will be equals to 4. So this is x value and this is y value. So whole together it is known as coordinates. So here coordinates A 40, B 42, C 46, D 2.5, B P 11, Q 22, R 33, S 44, K 23, L 53, M 55, N 23. Like that the coordinate is given. Using this coordinate we have to answer it. Okay, so let's see the first. So you can see a graph is being drawn over here, an x-axis and an y-axis, isn't it? What is an x-axis and y-axis? A graph is drawn. In that graph we have to, what we have to do? We have to plot the points. Whatever the coordinate is given, that coordinates we have to plot it. So this one is an x-axis, this one is y-axis. Everybody know this one is the origin of the graph of x-axis and y-axis, isn't it? Okay, after that this will be 1, 2, 3 as the coordinates are 4, 0, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2.5. So we are going to mark in a regular counting way. Okay, so here 4, then 5, here also 1, 2, 3 we will mark 1, 2, 3 like this. Clear? After marking, first we are going to see 4, 0. 4, 0 is the point for A, isn't it? So as we know that x-axis is 4 and y-axis is 0. So where x-axis is 4 is this point, where y-axis जहाँ पर 0 होगा वो यही वाला point होगा. So this point will be what? A 4, 0, where x is 4 and y is 0. Clear? Moving toward the second coordinate B 4, 2. What is given? B 4, 2. This coordinate is given. So 4 will be x and y will be 2, isn't it? So 4, this one itself, 4 will be in the x-axis 4 itself, as we are having the previous one. 2 will be here. Clear? Then 4, 6, 4 will be here, 6 will be somewhere at the top. Then 4, 2.5, 2.5 will be between 2 and 3, so it will be here. So while drawing we will get a straight line like this. Just what you have to do, you have to take a graph, draw the x-axis, y-axis, label or choose an appropriate scale. Scale you can choose your according to your wish also. Okay, and then plot the point. It is very easy to draw it. Okay, so plot the point according to the questions given. Now moving toward the next part, B part of this question, we are having P11, Q22, R33, S44. This is the graph. So we can see as the graph is lying on the straight line, same line, isn't it? So from the graph it can be observed that point A, B, C, D lies on the same line. Moving toward the second graph we are having. So for the second graph we are going to draw for the x-axis and for the y-axis. This will be the x-axis and this will be the y-axis. Okay, here it will be origin, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. then here again 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this we will mark. As we know that A is 1, P is 1 1, P 1 1, Q 2 2, R 3 3 and S 4 4. So we will mark according to this coordinate. Okay, so 1 and 1, that means x axis will be 1 and y axis is also 1. So 1 for the x axis is this one and y for the y axis 1 will be this. So we are going to match over, we are going to first put a point in 1 1, then 2 2, 2 2 will be here, isn't it? It will be here like this. Then 3 3, 3 3 will be like this, it will be matched. Then 4 4, it will be matched like this. 5 5, it will be matched like this. Like this it will be goes on. So we can see here, while joining the dots we will get a straight point, isn't it? After this we have to rub this part. So we are getting a straight line segment for x axis and the y axis. Here 0 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So here point 1 for 2, for 3, for 4. So while drawing a straight line with the help of a pencil, we will get a straight line. Hence we can say that P, Q and RS will lies on a same line. Similarly, what we have to do is, we have to see question number C. We have to plot a graph, isn't it? So here in this graph we can see a rectangle is obtained while plotting a graph. Have you understood now how to plot a graph when the different coordinates is given? So in this way you have to plot, and here in the C part you will get a rectangle shape. ओके, रेक्टेंगल शेप में ग्राफ मिलेगा. पहले K को प्लॉट करना, फिर N को प्लॉट करना, फिर M को, फिर L को. ऐसे करके आप प्लॉट करोगे तो आपको इस, you can see over here in a graph a rectangle is being observed. So in the same way you have to plot a graph, and here we can say that in the C part of question number 1, the line does not lies on a straight line. Okay, points point K, L, M and N are not lying on the same line. Draw the line passing through 2 3 3 2 and find the coordinates of the points at which the lines meet the x axis and the y axis. So here we are having question number 2. It says that draw the line passing through 2 3 3 2, find the coordinates of the point at which these lines meet the x axis and the y axis. So here we are going to have the question number 2. What the question number 2 says, a coordinate is being given. What are the coordinates are 2 3 3 2. Find the coordinates at the point at which this line meets. That means you have to find a particular line, okay, where the x axis and y axis is going to be meet. So as we are having a graph here, we will draw one more graph and I will explain you. So this is x axis, as you know that will be y axis. Here it will be origin 1 0 1, here 2 3 4 5 6. Here it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you can proceed moreover. Now as we know that at the point 5 0 5 0, when it comes, it will be for x for the 5 and y for the 0. So 5 0 will be here, isn't it? Then 3 2, as here it is given 3 2. So x axis will be 3, that means this will be x, and y will be 2. So point we will keep over here. Then it is mentioned 2 3. 2 3, that means x axis will be 2 and y axis will be 3. So point will come over here, a straight point will come, isn't it? And then 0 5. So here we can draw a straight line. Obviously we can draw a straight line, student. You will get one straight line like this. So here you have to draw. Clear? Moving toward the next question number 3. Write the coordinates of the vertex of each of the adjoining figures. So what is being given in question number 3? Already a graph is drawn. With the help of this graph you have to find the coordinate by seeing the graph. Means ग्राफ ऑलरेडी ड्रॉन है, आपको ग्राफ को देख करके कोऑर्डिनेट उसका लिखना है. कोऑर्डिनेट मीन्स एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस की वैल्यूज लिखनी है. ओके, सो हियर द फर्स्ट वन वी आर हैविंग A will be, origin will be 0, so 0 we are having as x and y axis both is equals to what? Both will be 0 there. Then here a, है ना, so a will be 2 as it is mentioned at the x axis 2 and y axis will be 0, so here 0 2 0. B will be, here b is there, so b will be x axis 2 and y axis 3. C will be, as we are having the C, so here we can see that y axis is 0 and x in the x axis will be 0 and y axis will be 3. So these are the coordinates for this figure. Okay, moving toward the figure, second part of the figure, P Q R S. Okay, so here the coordinates are 4 3, x axis is 4, y axis is 3, then 6 1, then 6 5, then 4 7, like this you have to mark. Then the next one we are having K L M. So K we are having 10 5, okay, L we are having 7 7, so this is 7 7, we are having the point 7 7. Then M we are having 10 8. Clear? So like this way you have to answer it. Moving toward the fourth part of the question of this chapter, this exercise, it says that state whether true or false, correct those are false, means you have to state true or false, and whichever the answer is false you have to correct it. Okay, उसको false जो होगा उसको true में convert करना है. So first point is, here we are having a point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero will lies on x axis. Of course it will be true. A point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 lying on y, it will be false, because the point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lies on x coordinate itself. Then last one, the coordinates of the origin are 0 0. So coordinates of the origin are 0 0, so the answer will be true. Okay, so here we are having question number 4. In this exercise only 4 questions is present, so hope you people understood the question. So here we are going to end our video. In the next video we are going to see the exercise 15.3. So for today, thank you everyone.